Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video to explain how to change the view of the files when you're in the File Explorer. So of course, File Explorer shows you files in certain ways. Here you see that I have some icons and folders. So of course, depending on what you want to see, you can change the way that it looks. How? Well, in that File Explorer window, when you right click somewhere where there's no icons, you will see there's view. And look at that. You can view tiles. You can view content. We'll change it like this. You can do the same thing and go into view or do details. This changes the look once again. You can view lists. You can view small icons, or you can view really super large icons. And basically that is the way that you choose to view this, and it is personal to everybody. Some people like to have list views, some people like to have icon views. If you have some difficulty, of course, the fact that you can change the size of the icons, small, medium, large, and extra large, is cool, because sometimes you might have difficulty viewing some content, so you can actually look at it at different sizes and make it easier for you on the eyes to actually have that happen. So it's as easy as that. Simply right click, choose view, and choose the type of view that you want to have. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.